Hey folks, welcome back to Busted Stud Garage. I've got this 2010 Tahoe and it was running very poorly. I had a check engine light on there and I couldn't get it to go away no matter what sensors and whatnot I could fix or replace. So using the Tech 2 here, which is the best tool we have available, we turn that on. Hopefully this will give some information about how to do this. So I guess we have to press enter to continue, and then we're going to go to diagnostics, I think, and find out we have a 2010 and it's some LD truck, whatever that means, and Chevrolet truck. And then we're going to go to C, I don't know why, but there's a Tahoe in there. And then after that we want to select the powertrain, and then this is a LMG engine, establishing communications, and we're going to go to engine control module, and then special functions. That's important. Go to F2, special functions, and then you want to go to fuel system, and then we'll go to fuel composition reset. Now this is where the whole problem was. Press enter to continue. So this is going to measure the alcohol content of the fuel, and right now you see 3%. This is after I reset it. Before, when I was having all the trouble and the DTC codes, this was reading 71%. Now I don't know where you get 71% alcohol fuel. Mostly around here it's 10% at the pump. So what I did there is you can go down to reset here if you want to. So you where is that? Oh, sorry, I screwed that up. So you go to composition reset, okay, and enter. Wait for data, and then you can press this button here under the reset, and then that'll reset the data, and that's it. That's all you got to do. Then you can go back to the beginning and find your DTC codes and erase them, and then you're all set and ready for the races. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Probably this only works if you have a Tech 2. I don't know how to do it with the other scanners, but this worked for me. So that's all you need to do is reset the alcohol content of the fuel. I don't know why it gets messed up, but it did, and now it's good. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day and some success with this. Busted Stud Garage. Check it out.